Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can pay with Clearpay. So if you want to pay with your Clearpay, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically all you have to do is just first thing first, you need to make sure to sign up or that you already have an account. And when you're ready to make a purchase online, proceed to the checkout page of the retailer's website. You need to look for the payment option and select Clearpay as your preferred payment method. After that, if you're already if you're already a Clearpay user, log in into your Clearpay account when prompted. And if you're new to Clearpay, you'll have to sign up, creating your account. Now, this typically involves providing some personal information and agreeing to the terms and conditions. After you're done with that procedure, during the checkout process, you'll need to link your debit card or a credit card to your Clearpay account. And this is the card that Clearpay will use to deduct payment for your purchase. Now after that, the Clearpay will split the total cost of your purchase into 4 equal installments, which you'll have to pay every 2 weeks. Now review the payment schedule to ensure you're comfortable with the timing and amount of each installment. Once you've reviewed the payment schedule and confirm your payment method, proceed to complete your purchase. Clearpay will handle the transaction, receive an instant approval or denial for your purchase. Now after completing your purchase, the retailer will process your order as usual and you'll receive your terms according to the shipment. And once you've done that, you need to manage your payment and enjoy your purchase. So in that way, you can use your Clearpay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.